Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So this is the second batch of our Sunday Shorts, where we do a weekly roundup of every crypto that we covered this week. So today we'll do SPS, Alice, and Gala. And let's dive in. Looking at SPS on a daily time frame, we really can confirm that SPS trading is really sensitive to what Bitcoin does. Any market weakness is immediately felt within the SPS charts. So the continued Bitcoin dump is pretty much resulting in very flat and our continued downtrend for SPS. When we look at the structure that we mapped out the last time, we did say that SPS was in this descending channel right here. We broke out of it with a chaos pack release, but we are hovering around this upper trend line, either backtesting it as support or meeting it as resistance. So this is a key battleground that we have to conquer. Eventually, what we want to do is you really want to break out of here. Even a sideways consolidation like this is healthy for the token because at least you are not going any lower. Wait for the EMAs to catch up like this so that it's much easier to break in the future and we can finally get going once the market picks back up. And let's move on. So when we last covered Alice, the key thing that we wanted to see was we want to see sideways consolidation while waiting for the EMAs to catch up. Look at what happened. So the 21 EMA has caught up with the sideways price action and we are now above it. When we lay down the lines that we mentioned before, we did not fall into this channel right here. Instead, we continue to be above the $12.82 price range and the EMAs have caught up with us, which makes it easier to be on the upside. So moving forward, it's quite simple for Alice. You want to continue going sideways, wait for the 55 EMA to really come back down, break through this 55, backtest it as support before continuation to the upside. But you don't really want to do that with Bitcoin continuing to be below the bull market support band. What you want is a continued sideways action, wait for the EMAs, so that once the whole market picks back up, we will not have stunted momentum as compared to if we break out of here immediately while the markets are still weak. So if you're looking to come into Alice, it's pretty simple. This is pretty much DCA zone right here because sideways consolidation equals accumulation zone right here. And let's move on. So for Gala, one of the good things about this is we have started to break out to the upside. We did mention in our last video that this was a key structure that we have to break, 55.9 or 56 cents right here. So now that we have broken out of this ascending triangle that we did mention in the last video, we do have a technical target of around 71 cents. So the way you can imagine it is post the Gala event, which will be ending by tomorrow, expect a sell-off that can happen. So you're backtesting this 56 cent as support before continuation to the upside to meet this technical target. But once again, folks, please temper your expectations because as we did establish before, this whole structure is still within the A, the B, and the potential C wave that will happen after this. So you can imagine that once we hit the 71 cent range right here, this will be met as resistance and we will continue to go down for our C wave consolidation. That's not necessarily a bad thing because Gala is still a very good project. So you actually want C waves to occur while the markets are still weak because it allows you to accumulate more Gala before the continuation to the upside once the whole market is once again healthy. It is much better to temper expectations, be a little bit more pessimistic, and if Gala outperforms, then you would be pleasantly surprised as compared to expecting Gala to moon right now, then get disappointed when we face resistance at key price levels and go down from here. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye-bye.